Putting new door bottoms in. And look at this. An expert.
Ex-Rolls Royce.
Right, expert. You used to be a pert, now you're not.
Yeah.
Repairing a old Rover with skill.
Exactly.
Well, decadence.
I've tanned that bad edge there.
Yeah.
Because I love the tan.
And weld it over the wood. Which is fun. And somewhere there's a fire extinguisher.
Hello. As cold as it is, I think we'll just leave it running for a bit.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Just keep the fire going.
Just keep it going. Just put a bit of a camber in it.
Ooh, cambers. There's a tapping stick in the door. There's a tapping stick in the door. Yeah, not bad. Look at that. Looks like it should have been there. Needs a tad taken out of there. Yeah. You don't, because you want to keep it. You want to run along where those screws are, don't you? It's still
Yes.
got to,
Yes.
Still got to be.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
So
What it wants. Oh, it's quite a tricky little thing, isn't it?
Yes, it is a tricky little thing.
So. That's that. And then that can keep in there, can't it?
Yeah, more or less. Then you got to. Yeah.
That's that. That's that.
I don't think you need anything anywhere else, do you?
Well, it needs a bit of land.
Yeah.
Like that.
Along there.
Just to support it, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Basically, that's what
Yeah.
you transfer onto.
So the bit you did on your hand,
yeah.
where's your bit of wood going there?
Now, if I
Draw around it.
go around it for a start.
Yes, yeah, that little wobble at the end, interesting. The almost finished article. It's amazing what two old guys can do with some wood, some metal, some screws. So what are you doing, Nick?
Well, I'm making a new rear bottom section for this door.
Ah.
And it's got a double curvature,
Yeah.
So I'm just altering me. Oh, I hate these grinders. Just to,
So you were saying you were on grinder.
I was on grinder, sorry. Yeah. Yes. Well, I've got a special case. Yeah.
I bet you have. So we're going to weld it to the wood.
Yes. Yes, we're going to use a wood rod.
Yeah.
I just need to fit that really.
There's people going to be looking and going, no, you can't weld near wood.
You can.
You'll set fire to it.
Well,
That's the fun, isn't it?
if it gets really going,
We can keep
we'll
warm.
leave it.
Because the heating's off.
Yeah, I was going to say, we'll put the heating on.
No, don't put the heating on because we can't hear what we're saying.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Right, I need to put some holes in that.
You want the punch then? Oh!
Oh, damn.
I got that on film. So while Nick's off looking at screws. So that's been tacked in place there for the bottom of the door, which is missing, as you can see this side, and we're going to bring that round there. And he's going to screw into the bit of wood, which forms the base of the door on this Rover. And yeah, keep you posted. Look at that, like you meant it.
It's a lovely piece, isn't it?
This is a lovely piece.
Hey? Hold me.
And it'll fit perfectly, won't it?
It does. Like a glove.
You know what, I'm surprised that's that good, to be honest. Considering you just guessed it.
Yeah. No. A lot of it is guesswork.
It is guesswork. So now on percentages with the guy from the Rover forum.
Oh.
So on the percentages, have we fixed 42.5 and 3/4% of the door? If he's watching this, I don't apologise.
I'm sure they make a lovely job, but for God's sake, all these guys that's doing these cars are on borrowed time anyway.
Well, we all are.
We all
Yeah,
are. It'll see us out.
of course it will. Yeah.
So just get it done and get it on the road and
Yeah.
enjoy it. Or get it done and get it buggered off.
Yeah.
Don't.
Well, the chances are none of them are going to be museum pieces in 40 years' time.
No.
They'll just disappear into the ether.
Exactly.
So you might as well run them, enjoy them, and have the fun out of them.
Yeah, exactly. It turns into a bloody art form. Get it done.
Nick and Pete become philosophical.
Too short.
Yeah, it is, unfortunately.
We can make everything but time and glass. You like that?
Can we make cakes?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can make cakes. We can make a mess.
You can make an eating mess.
Ooh, yeah, they're easy. Eating messes look great. And we can't make glass.
We can't make glass.
I'm sure if we tried, we could. We only need some sand,
Please.
some heat, and a blow thingy.
I'm blowing
You know what I mean? One of those things that you blow a tube and a ball of glass comes out. How do they make flat glass then? Do you blow that? No, you can't blow that, can you?
it. Flat glass.
Well, you just put it in a form, don't you, obviously? You hammer it.
Hammer it.
Come on, come on.
Have you ever seen glass being made?
Not flat glass, no. They roll it, don't they?
No, they don't. They float it.
Do they?
Yes.
I didn't know that. Look at that. Intelligence from that man.
Float it.
Do they
I have
float
been
it?
to Pilkinson's Glassworks.
Yeah?
They make glass. And it's floated on a... The old style used to be floated on lead sheet.
Really?
Yeah, that's why it got that bit of a...
I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's cool stuff.
So we're on our second door. That one's already been done. Into metal, bare metal. Oh, there's Nick walking through the workshop.
Looking for stuff.
Looking for stuff. We punched the holes in for screwing it into the wood former at the bottom. We shall weld that one in place. And yeah, door repairs are us. Maybe not to the professional restorer's liking, but it gets the car back on the road and it'll look just as good. And in the distance, we see the rare screw finder rooting around for its meal.
Rubbing about, looking for screws.
Looking for screws.
Not buying any more screws.
He's trying to find them.
I've got enough screws here to last me a lifetime.
Ah, a lifetime of screws.
Yeah.
It's fascinating to watch this creature in its own habitat.